Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making for you some prawn fried rice made for one. So there's my prawns with my lemon. I'm going to give it a wash and then rinse it. It's been washed and rinsed. Now I'm seasoning. I've got some peri seasoning, and you can put whatever seasoning of your choice or your desire, guys. The seasoning I'm using is the ones that I wanted on my prawns. I'm also gonna be putting some black pepper, and that's some black peppercorn, and I've grounded them up, and I'm gonna put that on. Right there, I'm putting on some garlic granules, and that's my garlic granules. I'm using that. I'm also adding some chili flakes, and I love my chili flakes, so that's what I'm adding. And there's no specific measurement, guys. I'm adding some parsley as well. If you wish, you could use a half a teaspoon of each of those seasonings that I've mentioned. I'm gonna be adding some pepper, some habanero pepper sauce, because I like it spicy like that, so I'm adding some of that as well. Just a little dash, and then that's it. Gonna give that a mix. Mix, stir, and I leave that to marinate, guys, for about an hour or so. I'm also gonna be adding some paprika, because why not? You know, gives it a little bit of zing and a little bit of color as well. So I'm just adding that in. For some people it might be too much seasoning, but guys, that's what I wanted, so that's what I'm doing. So yeah, I'm mixing that around, mix, stir. And I'm gonna leave it to marinate. You're not gonna see that bit, but yeah. Now I've got my eggs. I'm gonna be using 3 eggs, and I'm gonna be breaking my eggs, and I'm also gonna be taking out the eyes, because why not? You see those squiggly white things that's there in the egg? I don't like those in the egg. Apparently it makes the food taste raw, but I don't know if that is true, so don't quote me. But anyway, that's what I do when I'm doing my eggs. I put them in a bowl, and I take out the little squiggly white things that you can see, and we call it the egg eyes. I don't know if that's true, but it is what it is. So yeah, I finished taking out my eyes out of my egg. Now I'm gonna prep my frying pan. There's my frying pan. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil, any oil of your desire, guys. You can do that, and I added about half a tablespoon of oil. There's my prawns. I'm putting them in, and I'm gonna stir those around for a few until they catch color. There they are. They've catch color now. So now I'm gonna put them to the side. They're just sizzling a little bit, and they sizzled for about a minute or two. As we know, prawns doesn't take very long to cook, guys, so you don't want to be cooking them for too long. There they are. They're sizzling away, and they smell so nice, so delicious, guys. And that's them right there. At this stage, my frying pan was a bit high, but yeah, I kept going nonetheless. I didn't bother to stop it. I just carried on. There's my eggs. I put some black pepper in my eggs, and I'm whisking that around. Whisk. Whisking it around for a little, and then I put it in the frying pan, and as you can see, my prawns are on the side. So I'm making my egg come together a little bit, and then I'll break it each time with my wooden spoon, as you see that I'm doing right there. I'm breaking it up, break, stir, mix, and that's what I'm doing right there. And it's looking so good already, guys. My dish is coming together, and like I said, this is just a dish for one person. In my bowl, I've got some bell peppers and some spring onion, and also some scotch bonnet pepper finely chopped, and I'm adding those in. You can add the amount that you desire, or you cannot add it at all. It's down to personal preference. So that's what I was doing, and then I just stir it around, move it to the side. There you see I'm toasting my sesame seeds. So I'm just toasting a little bit of sesame seeds right there because I wanted sesame seed in it. You don't have to put it if you're allergic to sesame seeds or if you don't like it, but I added it in this instant. So I'm stirring it around, stir, 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 mix, mix, mix. Now I'm gonna add my day-old rice, and that's my rice that I'm adding right there, and that's been cooked from the day before, and that was leftover rice. I'm adding in some Leon Perrin sauce, aka Worcester sauce, and I'm just giving it a sprinkle and a drizzle and a sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle right there. I'm also gonna add some soya sauce, guys. That's my soya sauce, and I also added some rice wine, just a little splash. So I've added all of that in, and I'm just gonna mix it up and then make it simmer on the stove for a little bit, and then I will plate it up, guys. It's basically done. So now I'm about to add my last ingredients, and that's some corn. Some fresh corn. I've washed it, rinsed it under the tap, and I've put that in, and it's basically done. Voila! There you go, guys. That's my king prawn fried rice made my way, and it's accompanied by some spring roll and a corn on the cob. And my guys, can I tell you, it tasted exquisite, excellent. It was so nice. It was a blessing to my palates. Yes, I loved it. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned for some more recipes, some more exciting and innovative recipes. Thank you for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up if you've watched to this far. And if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye.